Hey, my chocolate drops. Thank you for visiting again. If it's your first time, hey. If you've been here before, welcome back. What's up, what's up, what's up? So today we are going to talk about Amazon hair. Are you seeing this? Let me give you some looks real quick. Look, on the picture. Ooh. Not too bad, right? Okay, so let's get into the specs of this. So it came in this cute little pink box. It says Only You Hair. Inside of it, it had a 12-inch, 14-inch, and 16-inch bundles. And then we had a 10-inch closure. I did not use the closure. This is a quick weave. So I can just go ahead and get this out. But look at this. Look at that. Like at first I was thinking, okay, it's really not that great, until I was out and about and everybody was like, what kind of hair is that? Like, who did your hair? Do you do hair? And I'm like, okay, come on, Amazon. So the hair where it first came in, it was bad. Like I had to wash it for sure. And if you don't wash your bundles, then you're definitely the problem.
If you don't wash your bundles, then you're definitely the problem.
So the hair was very bad at the end. I ended up having to cut the 14-inch up to a 12-inch, and then the 16-inch was too long, so I cut it all up to a 12. So that's what you're seeing here. And I'm not really mad at it. A bob's kind of cute. Makes me look a little older since I always look so young. Let's see. It also came with lashes that I'll never wear. Like literally ever. Those look like they'll itch my eyeballs like crazy. Then it came with the weaving cap, which is cool. Hopefully you guys can see that. Yeah, weaving cap. Very thoughtful. This is human version hair. But look, on the tag it says vegan. Look at that. Vegan hair. Hold on, let me see. Oh Lord. Ain't good. Players messed up too though, so I ain't mad at them. It's cool, whatever. Sorry if my lighting is messing up. What else? It came with this brochure on how to take care of the hair. You know, it's sweet. Enough of the instructions if you really don't know what to do with this hair. So definitely wash your bundles. I don't care if it's good hair or not. Wash your bundles because it's just sitting under dirt and whatever else. So the texture did come curly. I'll make sure I put up like a thumbnail of what came in the bag and how it was before I washed it. But after I washed it, it got really, really tight curls. So if I was to wet this, I'll have a whole different style. So I do like that. It's very versatile. Let me see what else. The tracks are pretty thin, the actual track itself, but the hair on it, there's enough hair to make sure that you cover things up. I did use about 2.5 bundles, no closure. I am satisfied, but this is the kicker, and I definitely wanted to wait until the end of the video to say this. So on Amazon, it was $127.78. Now I, the bargain shopper I have a website that I got $70.28 off of that. So after taxes, I ended up paying $63.25 for this, for the human hair. I'm excited. I'm really excited. I've been getting a lot of compliments. I'm getting new clients, and I am gonna try out some different Amazon hair. Like I never really tried it out. I thought it would be trash, but it actually was not that bad. If you are a beginner, this is not my suggestion for you, because there are things that you have to do to keep it up, like wash it, know how to flat iron it, know how to blend your hair. Like there's a lot of things that you need to do. So if you're not getting it done by a professional, I would not suggest you buy this hair. It's just something that you have to work with, and if you don't know how to work with it, then you're going to be at a loss, and you're going to think it's trash, you're going to want to throw it away. So if you have experience, this is it. If you want to know what site I have, it's actually an app. What app I have to get discounts on hair, home appliances, birthday party decorations, toys for kids, anything. Like, it has crazy discount numbers for Amazon that you can just plug in, and then you get it sent just from Amazon, but you get a super discount. So if you do want that code or the app, go ahead and put it down in the comment section. I want to see how many comments I can get. If I get enough, I will definitely let you guys have that, because I'm not no hater, and I will always share whatever information I have to my friends and my family. Other than that, go ahead and also leave a message or a comment. Let me know what else you want to see. I can actually do a tutorial on how I do my quick weaves. I can do a get ready with me so you can see how I do my natural makeup. Anything, just let me know what you want to see from me. Thank you guys so much for stopping by and checking me out. I'll also send a video on how you can get free items for people to send to you, like, right away. I'm just getting started and I'm already getting things sent to me. So I'm definitely the plug, okay? So go ahead and like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you won't miss anything that I got going on. I got some stuff in store for you guys. Until then, I'll see you guys later.